Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a tweet video tutorial on CapCut, so you can use like aesthetic quotes on like aesthetic backgrounds. But today I'm just going to be using this video and like a tweet of Taylor Swift's speech. So let's go to Twitter, and I'm just going to screenshot the tweet. Then I'm just going to crop it too. After that, I'm going to press done and save to photos. Once you're done, go to overlay, press add overlay, and choose that tweet you just screenshotted right here and press add. Then you are going to go to splice and choose one that suits the overlay best, I guess. I usually just choose the filter one. Press the check mark button and sort of adjust it where you can see it better. And you can make the sort of tweet longer, like the duration of the picture. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!